Hi everyone, welcome back to Legally Yours. I'm here again with the wonderful Jonathan Nate from Balance Family Law, and in this episode we're actually going to talk a little bit about the online solutions that Balance Family Law provide to their family law clients. Thanks so much for joining me,
No worries,
Jonathan.
thank you very much for having me back.
So it's such a unique concept, and so talk me through, so you're a fully virtual online firm, but you actually deliver a lot of these family law services online, so talk me through what you're delivering.
Yeah, so when we started up our firm, one of the focuses was that we wanted to incorporate more technology and innovation into how we service our clients, and one of those was creating an online legal solution for one of the common ways that people document their settlement agreements, which is the application for consent orders.
Yeah.
So through our website and using some automated technology, we've developed a interview online that will take our clients through the necessary questions that they need to be asked in order to complete the necessary court form, and also to create the terms of settlement document that accompanies that form. And all of those answers are compiled into the form and into sort of the terms of settlement. They come through to us. We go over everything. We make sure all the I's are dotted and T's are crossed. Make sure that, when the client's getting the document, that they're actually fully aware of what the documents are, why they've been filled out. If there are any issues that, we've spotted in there that we think, that you might need to do a little bit more explaining here, or we can see that you answered this, but maybe you could answer it this way, and that might assist the court a bit more when making these orders. And then providing them to the client with a fully fledged guide to what they need to do next. We'll also file the documents for them online, because the court has an online lodgement portal as well. So basically, we're offering an online service. It's not a DIY service, because I guess there are some DIY services out there, and they work for some people, but sometimes going through a DIY service and getting the documents, clients are going to go, okay, I've got these documents, what do I do with them now? Or are they actually going to be accepted by the court? How do I know if there are any issues here? And we sort of wanted to develop a solution that provided all of that information in one, so once the client gets the documents at the end, they're fully aware of what the process is, what they've done, what the outcome is, and if there's anything that they need to be aware of, or any issues that might come up that they can address now, and that we can help them address if they'd like us to, or that they can sort of let and see how it goes, and then if it does become an issue later on, again, we can assist them.
And what I love, because that service to me really bridges the gap between, like you say, the DIY at the moment, which is just literally someone goes on and fills out the forms online, but there's so much unknown. They're not perhaps getting advice. They might not understand the complexity of certain things that they're putting in.
Or the context of why they're answering those questions.
Absolutely. And what you're now providing through Balance Family Law is a bridging a gap of people that, because there's the DIY, or there's the go and see the lawyer and get the fully legal advice and do all of that. But you're really bridging that gap in between, which I would imagine saves a lot of money.
It does.
Because you're doing it online. The interaction with both you and Peppy is very much at different points depending on where they need that advice. But you're a trusted resource always to the side.
We're always there. Throughout the process, we always say, if you've got any questions, you can contact us by email, by phone. All of our details are there. Our faces are there, so you know that there are real people behind it. And we think that it's a good solution that we're offering, because like you said, it bridges that gap. Clients have the ability to turn to someone as they're going through the process. We're 100% fixed fee, so it's not going to cost you the $50 for the 6 minutes that you ring up and say, what's this question? Have I answered it correctly? No, we don't do it that way. If you want to call us because you've got a question, you don't have to worry about being charged extra. It's all included in our costs.
Absolutely love it. It is such a needed service. I think what you've created is brilliant. And I know also what you're planning on doing, or you're in the process of doing, is putting in some videos too during that process to guide people. So
exactly.
I obviously sit within the legal tech world, and what we often see is technical solutions and legal solutions. And what I love about the service that you and Pepe have designed is it's a fusion of both, because technology is there and it's the enabler, but you always need that wonderful human element at all the different interactions, particularly in family law.
Exactly.
When it's such a human side of law. So absolutely brilliant. So how do people actually, so they hop online at balancefamilylaw.com.au and they can go through the process online on your website?
Yep, definitely. So it's all on our website. We've called the system Forward because when you are going through the process, it's time to move forward, and we're helping you move forward through documenting these agreements as quickly as possible. So you can go onto the Forward page on our website, and that'll give all the information about, there's a couple of levels of packages. So, if you're just wanting to transfer a property to save on stamp duty, which can save you thousands of dollars or tens of thousands of dollars sometimes. So there's the Essentials package, which allows you to do that. If you want to transfer some super as well, there's a package that allows you to do that. And there's also a package that allows you to put in some orders about parenting arrangements for your kids as well.
And I know both you and Pepe are both based in Canberra, but this is a national service.
It is,
So anyone around Australia can access.
Exactly. Family law is a Commonwealth jurisdiction, as you know. So everywhere in Australia, you can go on and access the forms. WA has its own sort of family court system, but the forms are relatively similar and you can still go through the process. For those people in WA, we can always, they can start the process, and then those little things that we need to change for the WA courts, we can do that. And again, there's no extra charge for doing that because it's all part of that service.
Absolutely love it. So if this is resonating with you and something you'd like to learn more about, there's two ways that you can actually get a hold of Balance Family Law. So one is actually through our platform. You can actually find Pepe there and Pepe Kish and under Balance Family Law, and you can actually request either a complimentary phone chat with Jonathan and Pepe to learn more about that process, or you can just go to balancefamilylaw.com.au and head onto the Forward platform and start the process. Thank you so much for joining me. Absolutely brilliant.
Thanks very much for having me.
Thank you so much for watching.
Thanks.